Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox a brand new smartwatch from Xiaomi. It's a Xiaomi Mi Band 3. So this is the Xiaomi. So in the box are included the watch, the wristband. Here we have user manual, but it's only in Chinese. And in the corner we have the charger. So here are the things that include in the box. So now you're gonna pop out and so the Mi Band 3 has silicone bands, but it has a low brightness, as you guys can see. So it has a OLED display and it has a 78-inch screen. It comes with Android 4.4 and iOS 9.0. Some of the function or sleep tracker, calendar, steps, push message, heart rate, clock, fitness tracker, social media, notification, message reminder, call reminder, etc. So it's live waterproof. It's waterproof at 15 meters down in the water. It weighs 20 grams, very light. Here in the bottom we have the scanner. Charging port is on the side. To unlock, you swipe up. Now we have steps. We have distance. We have burned calories. We have the battery. And we press back. Now we have heart rate. And to start heart rate, you just press it and hold it. Now it's gonna start it. We have this option to connect with the phone and keep our updates. This is the treadmill option. We have other exercise. Is vibrating and it's gonna start count down and it's gonna measure our burn calories. Here we have notification. After we connect our Mi Band 3 with the phone, it's gonna show notification here, which we're gonna see in the next video. Here we have more. We have stopwatch. We have silent, find device, screen, factory reset, and about. Here in screen we can change the theme of the brand 3. So now it's gonna look like that. So this was all from the Mi Band 3. In the next video we are going to show you how to connect your Mi Band 3 with your phone. So please, to see that video, subscribe and turn the notification on.